I think it is important to hardwire your dome light. You can see it there with the LED bulb into the existing wiring harness, the courtesy light wiring harness, because you want that light, every light inside the cabin, to come on when you open the door and then to go off when you close the door. So for example, I close the door and of course the courtesy lights are off. However, if I want to override that, I can use the headlamp switch. Just turn left and voila, courtesy lights come back on. So that's one of the, I think that's an important reason to connect your dome light, overhead dome light, into the existing wiring harness. All right, that's it. Thanks.